morning. You're listening to 98.7 DZFE, The Master's Touch, a non-commercial donor-supported radio station owned and managed by the Far East Broadcasting Company Philippines, as authorized by the National Telecommunications Commission with license number BSD 0246-2025. This station operates daily from 6 in the morning to 3 the following morning on 98.7 MHz frequency modulation with a transmitter power output of 20,000 watts. DZFE can also be heard through channel 314 on Signal TV in partnership with Signal TV Incorporated. DZFE transmits from one corporate center, Meralco Avenue, corner Doña Julia Vargas Avenue, Ortigas Center, Pasig City, with studios on the 46th floor. 98.7 DZFE is maintained and operated by the following personnel, duly licensed by the National Telecommunications Commission and the Professional Regulation Commission. Electronics and Communications Engineer Joaquin Aliga Jr., ECE 001-1597. First Class Radio Operator JV Tabwa, NTC number 15-1PNCR-26813. This is 98.7 DZFE, The Master's Touch, presenting the works of the Masters and the finished work of the Master Jesus Christ since 1954.